Hello everyone, and this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst. And today we are going to talk about the big question that is there: do you really want to become a data analyst? So it's an amazing career, but a lot of people just think it's all about dashboard and storytelling. So I'm here to talk about the reality of it and the skills that you need and how to prepare for challenges of this field. So let's start with the big question that is there: that why do you want to become a data analyst? So here motivation matters a lot because it isn't just about, a wing job that you are doing. So here are top three reasons people are drawn to this field and you should consider it also. So first is for career field. So of course data analytics is in demand and it always will be. But are you ready for the constant learning that it requires? And also the evolving tools that are there, such as SQL and Python, and also for a higher salary. That is another motive people go for. Is it pays well. So, but you'll need technical expertise and you'll need the ability to deliver actionable insights. So, is it the trade off that is worthy for you? And also for the love of problem solving. So, if you enjoy working with data to uncover trends, this just might be the right path for you. So, in my experience, that your why has to align with the reality of job. And if you are really not sure about your motivation, let's chat on TopMate. You can go, it's in description. You can just have a conversation. You can book a session with me. We can have a proper talk on it. So let's talk about the truth about the job, like what they don't tell you about being a data analyst. So first is data cleaning. It takes a lot of time. It's like 80% of the job, and you'll spend most of your days cleaning messy data. And it's repetitive, but it's also essential only because otherwise in messy data you can't draw any insights. And second point is it has a steep learning curve. Like tools like SQL, Python, Tableau, and Power BI, it takes a lot of time and a lot of efforts to actually master. And then comes the most important one is stakeholder management. So aligning with stakeholders and meeting their expectation can be challenging, especially when their vision doesn't align with the data. Like they'll think, okay, this product is performing very well, and in reality it isn't. Then it becomes a mess, and a lot of shouting is involved. And let's talk about some of the key skills for success. So you need a lot of mixture of technical as well as soft skill. It isn't just a developer job. So let's talk about the technical skills first. First is SQL, Excel, and Python you'll need. And then you'll need visualization tools such as Power BI or Tableau. They are non-negotiable. And then soft skills also you need. First is communication and storytelling. These are really crucial. And then translating the complex data that you have into actionable insight for non-technical audience is a game changer. You'll need it. And then curiosity and problem solving skills. So you'll face a lot of ambiguous problems, and a curious mind is the key to actually solve it. So, so in this video and other videos, I'll talk all about it, how to master these skills. So you go through it. And if you want to dive much deeper into it and have some resources, you can again go to TopMate. I have a resource pack for 1000 rupees. You can just buy it up. And it has a lot of cheat sheet and all the, various real-time projects. You can just go to it. And if you want to buy the data analytics course that's popular with a lot of people, and I'll just have a call after this recording this video also. So you can grab the data analytic course and have a mentorship session also with me if you want to connect first. And let's talk about now the challenges in the field. So there are a lot of common challenges that the new data analytics person who is joining faces. Is first is the overwhelming tools. So there is always something new to learn, like which can be a lot daunting you can feel. First is the stakeholder expectation, like balancing what they want with what the data shows isn't always straightforward. Like they won't argue on it, like they'll just say, I won't agree to it, a lot of things. And then handling rejection, like not every analysis or insight will be accepted. And that's okay. Like it's should be based on the boss or the stakeholder, not your thinking. So now let's talk about how to prepare for the data analytics career for the people who are trying to get into it and or the people who are trying to job switch. So if you're just starting, just master out Excel and SQL. These are like bread and butter of data analytics. And then learn Python and data visualization tools because Python is very demanding nowadays. So expand your capabilities with pandas, libraries, and tools like Tableau. and then work on real world projects. So don't something that you can host and show to people. So platform like Kaggle, GitHub are great for building a portfolio. You can use it. And I also offered a data analytics course, as I've told you guys. So you can buy it up. I'll give you mentorship, and you can consider a capstone project that will have the combination of SQL, Excel, and Python also. So you'll understand all these things. And you can also buy the resource pack, as I've told you, for 1000 rupees, that will have the cheat sheet, exercises, and real world projects as well as code for it, so that you can easily understand it. So let's wrap this video up now. And becoming a data analyst is rewarding, but it requires a lot of dedication and constant learning. So make sure that you're clear about your motivation and are ready for these challenges ahead. So if you are serious about this journey, let's connect, like book a mentorship session on TopMate. It's in description link. And also explore my socials. And if you have any questions, just drop in comments. I love to help. And thanks for watching. Like, if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, share it with the people who actually want to explore the field or actually want to switch their jobs to it. And hit the subscribe button. I've seen like 94% of you guys are not subscribed. So subscribe. And let's make your data analytics journey a reality. And I'll see you guys in the next one.